The days of staring at a blank screen are over. AI hasn't replaced developers, but it has given every developer a super-powered pair programmer that never sleeps. AI for coding isn't just it writes code for you. It's completion, explanation, and refactoring. It's like having a senior engineer sitting next to you who knows every library in the world. First, smart autocomplete. Tools like GitHub Copilot predict your next line or your next 10 lines based on context. You write the comment. It writes the boilerplate. This removes the grunt work so you can focus on the logic. Second, AI native editors. Tools like Cursor let you chat with your codebase. You can highlight a buggy function and say, fix this or optimize this loop. It understands your entire project file structure, not just the open tab. Third, learning. Encountered some legacy code or a complex regex you don't understand? Highlight it and ask AI to explain this like I'm 5. It's the fastest way to learn new languages or debug spaghetti code. Fourth, tests and docs. Developers hate writing unit tests and documentation. AI loves it. It can auto-generate comprehensive test cases and write clear doc strings in seconds. It makes maintaining code actually bearable. The catch. Security. Never paste secrets or proprietary core IP into public AI tools. Quality AI can hallucinate packages that don't exist. Always review the code. If you blindly accept suggestions, you're shipping bugs. AI won't replace developers, but developers using AI will replace those who don't. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps us grow.